Draw glittering colors.
Halo teman-teman, hari ini kita akan menggambar bunga matahari. Kita buat bunganya dulu ya. Bunga matahari adalah bunga kesukaanku. Kalian suka bunga apa? Sudah jadi, sekarang kita gambar tangkai, kemudian daunnya. Ayo kita warnai bunganya.
Chocolate. Yellow.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Orange.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Green.
And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat.
Waktunya memberikan glitter.
I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a
Glitter
dog
orange.
named Rover.
glitter hijau.
Bird, don't sing. Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Bunga mataharinya sudah jadi, sangat cantik dan berkilauan.
Dress.